Monica, word is rain chances. Those are the words, I guess, too, right? I'm going to show you some more on the rain we just can't get rid of yet. What's up, Terry? Good evening, Sharon. Hi, Sabra. How are you? Rhonda, good evening. Hiya, Felicia. Good evening, Hanak. Good to see you. Bring on the mosquitoes, right? No kidding. Everybody's got to just be, you know, packing heat, packing deet. That's what I should say. Hey, Doug Hallman, how are you? Yes, Monica, it is. Or what? Uh-oh. Monica's not happy. What's happening? Good evening. Thursday night, Bill Taylor here, Ken's 5 Digital Center. What a beautiful picture from San Antonio International. I got to take this full in all its glory. Look at those runways. Isn't that gorgeous? What a pretty picture. Saw some breaks in the clouds. It's a very nice evening. It's comfortable with that north wind, 68, but the dew point hasn't budged. I mean, we're still at a 64-degree dew point, still a relatively humid atmosphere when you consider that the air temperature is only 4 degrees away from the dew point temperature, which means 87% humidity. So the atmosphere is still got some decent moisture available, which is just crazy because, you know, the rain just won't let up. Now, we'll show you that it did let up for a nice evening. All right, San Antonio saw the last of its rain, eastern Bexar County, about 5:30. Been dry ever since, but after an incredible deluge of rain. And I'll show you what that looked like on the rain totals. Here's the radar tonight. We've got a flash flood watch that begins in McMullen County, B County, Goliad, Victoria, extends to the coast, and extends to the valley. That's where the heavy rain is tonight, especially east of Victoria. Victoria is still getting some rain tonight. Flash flood warning down to the south. You can see Starr and Zapata counties until 10:30. And that one thunderstorm, if I back this up a little bit more, let's go back about 12 hours and show you the storm that rolled out of, you can just see it. Well, let's take a look at the entire package right there. And it rolled out into McMullen County about 2 o'clock, right there. McMullen County is 2 counties to our south in San Antonio, and a tornado warning. Never confirmed, but it was rotation for sure, and I'll show it to you. But look at that amount of rain. I mean, just torrential rains across the city and Atascosa County. That was really kind of the lion's share of where this rain fell today. And we've got incredible video just into the newsroom from Atascosa County that we'll share on Eyewitness News at 10. You've got to see it. Incredible flooding rains to our south. So first off, that severe thunderstorm that produced some rotation near Tilden. So I'll have to back this up also 12 hours, and we'll watch this come through. Now, it's already through there, but what we're looking at is wind velocities, okay? And velocities will show you where the winds are going towards the radar site and where they are going away from the radar site. So, oh, did we lose that data? Oh, we sure did. We don't have it that far back. But wherever you see the green meeting the red is what's called gate-to-gate shear. And there was a little twist in the atmosphere, just enough in that reflectivity that we're looking at to indicate rotation. So the National Weather Service out of Corpus Christi did not waste any time, which they shouldn't in that case. And they issued a tornado warning. It was about 2 o'clock this afternoon. No confirmed tornado. As a matter of fact, we can put on the local storm reports and see if anything was reported. Just some, let's see what that is. I don't know that symbol. Oh, flooding. Doesn't have any numbers on it. Water over 72, Espinarza Creek. Let's see if there's any more of the storm reports for flooding up closer to San Antonio, because I'm surprised we don't see any in Atascosa County, to be honest. Wow. Is that incredible? Wait until you see the video at 10 o'clock of the rain and what it did there. So, speaking of the rain, let me show you what it looked like on the rainfall amounts. Look at this, almost 6 inches right there at Elmendorf, essentially, and closer to Atascosa County. Then in Atascosa County, 4 inches, 3.5 East San Antonio. In fact, East San Antonio is where it led to a high water rescue that we will also have at 10 o'clock tonight. Amazing video. A woman with children in the vehicle get caught in high water. Incredible rescue that we were there to witness, and you've got to see that too. Incredible. And that was, again, where that 3.5-inch rain total fell. So you look at the closer to 6, that water caused some of the video you'll see at 10, but no big problems as far as high water rescues that we know of, but definitely one east where that 3.5-inch rain total is recorded. 2 inches of rain in Bulverde today. I heard an incredible total, and I got a picture I'm going to share at 10 o'clock from Cuero. They had about 4 inches today, and this viewer who's using that gauge, which is reliable, is recording like 26 inches since May 1, I think it was. It was ridiculous. So lots of water, more to come. Fountain Pond full of all this rain in Lake Hills. Good for Medina Lake. I just hope they can manage it better. Seems like just, hey Gary, it just seems like too much water is going out of there for the wrong reasons, right? Southern Atascosa, horrible on your property. Jenny, so sorry to hear that. Yes, Southern Atascosa County, you can see those green totals are going upwards of 2 inches to 3 inches of rain. And all that water from those 6 and 4, that's 10 inches of rain that's moving south. Okay, that's 10 inches of water moving in your direction too. Yeah, Brad, heavy rain in Corpus Christi. Can you do rain totals for Medina, Texas? Yeah, so let's see. We've got right about here, all that blue, about 1/2 inch, 1.5 inches on each side of Medina, closer to Bandera for that 1.6. We have had some and lots of rain in Nordheim. Yeah, I bet. Beta, is it? Hope it storms. Tanica wants the storms, liking the storms. You know, some people just sleep so well when the storms. Some people wake up and can't sleep at all, right? It's one or the other. 5 inches today. Wow, only today. Estella, thanks for that number. Yeah, Carnes City, you can see right in here. Look at this. 3.5 Doppler estimate. Again, this is, when I'm giving you these totals, these are not the rain gauges like you have at your home, and these are not observation stations. What this is a computer algorithm just kind of figuring the rainfall rate, which was for some about 2 inches per hour, incredibly hard pounding rains, and over the course of time that storm was there. And so that's the radar estimate is what we're looking at of rain totals. Water restrictions go away for a while. Just hope we all live to enjoy it, right? No tornadoes, Victor. Yeah, we just had that one spot of rotation at Tilden this afternoon, but no confirmed tornado there. So I mentioned the flash flood watch. I want to bring you up to speed on that before we move into future radar and show you what we're expecting in the next 24 to 48 hours. So notice that there's still a good flash flood watch in effect, and this is going to be until tomorrow, 7 a.m. All right? It does appear that most of this rain deep South Texas and the coast, so some of these counties could be dropped before 7 a.m. because they're just not getting a whole lot of rain in Laredo and Tilden anymore. And what we're looking at west of Eagle Pass will not make it. Will not make it. You can see it's already starting, it's moving south along the mountain range. So those will be raining themselves out where you see them. Working in Bernie, how's the weather going to be tomorrow? So Delhi, let's go right to it. In Bernie tomorrow, a good chance of more rain. Along with all of us, we still have a stationary front. We still have an area of low pressure out west, and both are combining with this tropical air to produce more rain. Now, it does appear that Friday more scattered than what we saw today. Today was just a big coverage area of this rainfall, and tomorrow does appear that it's a little more widely scattered. So the model's thinking, let's just look at how it's doing first. Is it performing well? It's got heavy rain east, and we know that that's not really, well, it's only about a county off, to be honest with you. It's still raining in Victoria, so that's not too bad. All right, so let's just say it's initializing pretty well. It's got the storms out west, so it's doing a pretty good job with the current situation. Moving forward, some rain develops in East Bexar County at midnight, up I-35, a few showers, downpours, and then we're pretty quiet. And then you can see there's Friday morning at 9 a.m. This is good news because tomorrow morning we kick off Project Cool at Catholic Charities. It's at the Guadalupe Community Center that we're going to be beginning the fan program, the annual fan donation and fan distribution program for San Antonio, done through Catholic Charities, and we're kicking that off, and that's good news to see 10 a.m. being dry in the city under cloudy skies. We start seeing some showers fill in once we get to 3, 4 o'clock. And there's a good little downpour over Hondo and some spots to our west overnight into Saturday morning. And you can see some heavier rain east, north, and east. There's Saturday at 3. And Saturday at 9. So Saturday doesn't look too bad. I had about a 30 or 40% chance on Saturday. That looks to hold the course there. See, Friday night gets a little active, Hondo and Castroville. Able to cut my grass this morning before the rain got here in Seguin. Oh, that was perfect. Good timing for you, Armando. Love the rain. Beta Williams, great sleep. Exactly, right? So yeah, it looks like, I mean, you know, once we get into tomorrow, and see, here's the good news too, the severe threat has really dropped. What we're more concerned with now is where this flooding threat could develop. If most of this rain, or any of this rain I should say, falls in the wrong spot, it'll lead to flooding quickly, like it did today in Atascosa County, South Bexar County, and that was all kind of in relationship to each other because that was 10 inches of water that moved into Atascosa County. So I think if these scattered showers find the wrong spot, we could deal with some localized flooding over the weekend. But as of now, no flash flood watches, no warnings are in effect. But this atmosphere is still conducive to more rain. Big hello from Bill in Eagle Pass. Oh, big hello, Bill from Eagle Pass. Can you send us some more rain? No hail, right? Oh, I appreciate you. It is a pleasure. I think you'll get some more scattered showers, but not much like today. Oh, pardon me. It goes a yawn. See, I have coffee and it makes me yawn. Now, I know somebody just yawned. I know I got you. Most contagious thing in the world, right? So let me show you. Water vapor, what I like to call the X-ray of the atmosphere, gives you a look at the culprit on this. And it's going to be that little counterclockwise spin in that dark region over the Baja. Look on the left side of the image. And you can see it kind of rolling south, very slow, moving low. And because of that, and it's staying west, you get these little patches of upper level energy to drift over. And then they're right on top of that stationary front. And when you line all those things up, you get good upper level instability matching that lower level trigger. And then you have the tropical air mass in place. You got dew points. They've been kicking. I mean, we've got a lot of humid air. And so that just stirs it all up in a very unsettled environment. I mean, look at this. Water vapor just tells that story all too well. That blueness, the reason for the color is temperature. So the top of those clouds colder than anything else on the map, and that's why they get that color. This is what's called enhanced infrared, and infrared is always measuring temperature. So it's water vapor, but it is still temperature that's being measured. Water vapor is an infrared image. So yeah, anyway, all that to say that we've got this low source out to the west, and as long as it is available, we're going to have a chance of rain. As long as that front helps at the surface, we have a chance of rain. And, you know, it's between now and next Thursday that we've got some more 2 to 3 inch totals, and you can see the difference. You know, you go out west, look at Del Rio, only expecting 1/4 of an inch at best. Then you move into closer 1/2 inch totals to 1 inch, and it progressively goes up. Hondo, 1.5 inches. Then Castroville into San Antonio for 2 inches, 3 in the Reds, and then we're going closer to 5 as you move closer to Houston. And again, it's just because of several days of continued rain chances. The best really on the next 7-day forecast from the beautiful San Fernando Cathedral is going to be pretty much tomorrow, 50-50, and then 40 over Saturday, Sunday, 30% chances in the evening. So we're not moving out of rain chances, but you can see the trend here that we're moving down in rain chances with a higher probability of staying dry. Excuse me, but we can't rule showers out. And a lot of these will be pass and go. These won't be like all-day rain events. 30-40%, that's just not going to happen. Sleeping all day in Lavernia, right? There you go. Prego proms in the gloomy weather. Nice, Jen. Best of luck. Hope it's a wonderful, comfortable pregnancy for you. God bless you. That's one of God's greatest chapters. What a blessing. Good for you. But yeah, I bet it just knocks you out, because that is a positive correlation. These gloomy days and lower air pressure kind of gets you in that sinking feeling, you know? It just, there's a relationship to those. Just the opposite when beautiful sunshine and high pressure and control and the barometer's rising, the weight of the air is heavier. And a lot of people think, oh, humid air, that means the air's heavier, got a lot of water. No, just the opposite. The reality, that's a big misnomer. The reality is that the low pressure and humid atmosphere has a lot more buoyancy, has a lot more lift. It's lighter air, okay? And those pressure changes is what really affect your body. It really does happen. And so if you want to test on high pressure, on those beautiful sunny days when high pressure is in control, ask a kindergarten teacher or first grade teacher how tough it was to corral those students, because that's when it happens. That's when they're going bonkers. High pressure gives you more energy, gets you in a better mood, as do cold showers. You ready for this? I read this today. I actually saw it on Ellen, a little Instagram video, and she's interviewing this guy about taking cold showers and how much more health benefit there is to the cold shower. It was very interesting. And then I did some reading, and sure enough, several journals, not that I have them, but you know, going online, several medical journals agree that cold showers, if you could do it, you got to get used to it though. And then it read too that Katharine Hepburn, the old famous actress, swore by it. You know, that it invigorates, it's healthier for your blood vessels and your blood flow. Okay, I'm going to give it a shot. I don't know how cold I can get though. They say it takes a while to get used to it, you know? And I was like, yeah, I would imagine so. It's going to storm on my birthday, June 9th. Oh, yeah, well, only 30% though, Alyssa. And we're going to sing you through it, okay? We'll sing you through it on Wednesday night. Just make sure you're here. Oh, good, Jennifer. Glad to see it. Stacy, see? And now you can't stop. See, and if I saw you yawning, I'd start yawning. I couldn't stop. It's a cycle. It's a vicious cycle. Good night, Bill. Working all weekend. Okay, good luck. Thanks, Bernice. I'm sorry, Grace. I'm going to assume you're asking about tonight, which is quiet. No rain tonight. 30% chance of a shower, but nothing severe. And that's what's good about moving forward. Friday rain, Saturday rain, Sunday rain, nothing expected to reach severe limits. These will be pockets of heavy rain at times that could lead to isolated flooding issues. We're more concerned with that than anything else, but we don't have the dynamics in place for severe weather. So that's good news. Yes, it has, Stephanie. June 1, it started. Yes, it did, and we are off and running. Remember, we've had Anna in the Atlantic, subtropical storm that did not make landfall. Next up is Bill, coincidentally enough. Bill, any severe storms overnight? No severe storms tonight, Misty. Only a slight chance we even see a shower. So we're in good shape. Gary, are you a cold shower guy? See? Truth. There it is. So you've done it? What kind of tip are you going to give me on how I get started? That's what I'm nervous about, because I really enjoy the hot shower, okay? Warm shower, get clean, then go to cold to invigorate. Okay, Shelly, do a little blend. I like it. You're welcome, Grace. Bill, he's our man. If he can't do it, no one can. Come on, David, he's our man. If Mercer can't do it, nobody can. David Mercer on a Thursday. David Mercer. Come on. There's Marvin Hurst, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, Marvin Hurst. Get it, go. It's happening. I wish you could see what I could see right now, but we'd probably get kicked off Facebook. It was beautiful. Those hips don't lie, Marvin. They were telling the truth. Those hips were telling the truth right there. Getting married Saturday. Knox getting married. Send up some love. I didn't know that. I forgot it. Wait, you did mention it way back. Hinak is getting married in Carrizo Springs. Is that where it's happening? Or what's going on? Saturday, the 12th, is that where, or this Saturday, the 5th? Either way, congratulations. Send up some love for Hinak. Wonderful. God bless you. That's so cool. Hinak was playing the trumpet on Memorial Day. I loved that picture you sent. That was so cool. Katie, work your way down to the colder temp over time. Husband likes cold showers. I like my skin boiled off, Katie. That's funny. Good riding with you. 50. Oh, absolutely, David. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Fitness 1440. That's awesome. Good to see you, man. Absolutely. I gotta get back. Maybe No, unless I go real early tomorrow. Maybe I'll go early tomorrow. I need a ride. Good to see you, David. That's so cool. I didn't know if you knew it was me. I don't, say that, but we were on bikes in the cardio theater, Fitness 1440. It's awesome. It's anytime, 24/7. I can go after work tonight. I can go at 3 a.m. if I want to. Can't stop me. I got a key. Sorry. 2 weeks left till the wedding bell. Ryan Menny. All right, Ryan. God bless you too. Look at this. It is June. That is the big wedding month, isn't it? No rain for the 19th. Okay, we're putting the order in now. No rain on June 1-9. As much as we're getting now, chances are probably that we're dry on the 19th. Let's hope for that, Ryan. Congratulations. That's awesome. God bless you. That is too cool. Too cool. Oh, I'm so fun. That's so fun that I met you, David. That's too cool. All right. What else before we wrap things up tonight? That's about it. So I'll leave you with the 7-day forecast, guys. Again, I wouldn't wash the car till maybe Saturday morning, okay? Because the chances are only 30-40% over the weekend. They'll hold there till Tuesday and Wednesday. I mean, we just cannot get a completely dry day guaranteed just yet. Not until we can get this atmosphere settled down. Hola, John. ¿Cómo estás? Trying to rodeo tomorrow night. I think you're in good shape. It's only scattered showers, Larry, so they shouldn't be too bad out there. Because most of this rain, as far as the heaviest and best chances are from here east. Sun does the cold showers too. See? Gracie, this is revealing. A lot of people do this. I didn't realize. Same to you, Ryan. God bless you and yours. I appreciate that, brother. Y'all have a good one. God bless you, and have a great night. We'll see you on Eyewitness News at 10. Like I said, great video of this Atascosa flooding, but even more importantly, this incredible rescue. To watch our San Antonio firefighters in action saving lives. I love it. You got to see it tonight at 10.